Okay, going for the second one, the second 30 by 30 pour, and again we're going to do 2 cups. This time I am not going to put the white in first. I'm going to put the pink in first. We'll see what happens with that. Getting the last out of the cup. Okay. Then some nice greenish, turquoisey greenish color. And then I'm going to stick those videos together about the with the lamp and the vase, because you haven't seen that yet. And then I'm going to upload this, and then I'm going to go and color my hair. And that's what I need to do. And someone's really irritating me on Messenger. There we go. Getting all the colors in there, because I think I'll need them, pretty much all of them. Oops, didn't put any in here. Well, doesn't have to always be the same, right? Oh my god. Sorry, but I'm really getting fed up with that. You know, sometimes the whole social media, it is too much. I'm telling you, everyone wants to talk to you. And because, you know, everyone at work is in my WhatsApp and that stuff. It's just too much sometimes. I'm pretty sure you all know what I mean, because that happens at the most irritating times, when you're in a shop or when you're doing something else. Okay, we're ready. Get the canvas. This time we're going to do it a little bit more controlled, right? Yeah. Whoops, whoops. And we're going to let it come out. Oh, I just knew it. Just push them away. And they will get my call in a minute. I'm totally off my game now, because I'm really bummed out. Okay, here we go. Okay, let me torch it quick. Because I would like a little bit bigger cells in this one, and that's not working. No big cells. Well, a little here. That is kind of cool. Do I have to make it come over the side? Ooh, I like that. It's almost like paper marbling. Oh, I'm gonna kill that person. Okay. Okay, part 2 of this painting, because I think it just missed something. I was missing some sort of contrast. So what I'm doing is putting some bronze on here, and then coming back with a coming right through it like that, and then coming through it with a stick, but making these nice little twirly things like that. And that's going to give it a little bit of shine. And it's making me a little bit zen. Just here and there, these nice little patterns. I'm just hoping that it's going to stay like that, you know, on the surface, that it's not going to sink and come under the under what we see as the top. I have to fix that up too. I see a corner peeking through. Better, I think. Okay. And I think I'd like a band all around there, because here I have a little bit there. Yeah, I think I'll put a whole band through here. Loading the pipette up. Okay, here we go. Okay. That looks pretty. Yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with that. Got a little bit going on up here. Got a little air bubbles here. Got to prick them. That's good. Here, a little air bubble. That's okay. And I would like one more down here to put it all together. Let's see. That's it. Maybe one more drop here. Okay, are we ready? I think so. Oh, it did drop down a little bit there. Here it stayed, that stayed. Maybe I didn't put enough on there. Let's see. There it is. Okay, I'm ready. This is it. So, I wish I could give you a close-up though, because this is really pretty there at the corner. Let me see. There it is. Still a lot of little air bubbles coming out. I really love that. I love how it plays with those colors. Gives it something to look at. Like that, like that. Yeah, I like it all. This is it. Okay, back in focus. There you are. So this is really playful when you do this, the lines. I'm just hoping it's going to stay like that, that it won't, you know, go to the bottom, that it'll stay on the surface a little bit, then I'll be happy. Okay guys, love you all to pieces. That was the last one from today, and I will see you again next weekend. Love you. Bye bye.